I resigned. Like, I didn't get the time to wear this. I kind of manifested it.
फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड डिग्री बर्न में, थर्ड डिग्री बर्न में तुमको सिर्फ बैक्टीरिया लगाना है और क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ बैक्टीरियाज लगाना है और क्या बोलते हैं उसको अर्जेंट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन कर देना है. कितनी खूबसूरत लगती है रोते हुए.
Relegation day, guys. शक्ल देखो इन नमूनों की, इनकी relegation नहीं मेरी हुई है. Look at me, I'm so happy.
See other batches from relegated calling us just to know.
See, रो रहे हैं ये लोग. ये देखो, ये रो रही है, वो रो रही है, वो तो भाई सदमे में ये. Hi guys, this is a relegation vlog that I'm shooting today. I got relegated and I'm happy about that. I don't know why.
बोल रही दिस इज रेलिगेशन ब्लॉग.
My bacha is crying. दिखा तो दो शक्ल. Happy tears, guys. Only happy tears.
Yes.
जिंदगी लंबी नहीं, बड़ी होनी चाहिए. भाई सब मेरे लिए रो रहे हैं. भाई इतना तो मम्मी पापा भी नहीं रो रहे थे यार बाय बाय करते हुए. दिख सब रो रहे हैं मेरे लिए. एवरीवन. ये लड़की भी मेरे लिए रो रही है. वो देखो ऐसा लग रहा है उसका रिलेशन भाई इस प्रकार रो रही है.
Can you imagine कि मैं
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel. Been a while since we last had a talk. Everything that I'm going to talk about today with you is something that has been decided, that were on a process and was being decided since a very long while. Some 3 months ago, I made a video and posted it on my YouTube channel that I got through Indigo, and I was so happy back then. And even while announcing this, I am very happy right now, sharing this news with you all once again. And I feel that you all are going to be very proud about me, because personally I am very, very proud about myself for the achievement. As a fresher, I resigned from my current company. Yes, I did. I had to, because there was no other option. Obviously, there are certain reasons for it, but I was working on this thing that I wished for so divinely. I kind of manifested it. It is being fruitful. As I'm very, very, very happy to announce that this big and great news with you all, that I got in with Etihad Airways, and such a big milestone that I would say you and I have made. I need to pack all my stuff, all my belongings that I got from my company. I did not get to fly with this company. However, the training period was immensely a blessing for me, and I'm more than happy and more than blessed and grateful to even get this big opportunity, that I know that most of us are out there wanting this opportunity. And then there's me who left this all for something that's big. And obviously we all have our goals, but this one was like very personal and very big achievement, I would say. And I could never say no to such an opportunity, and I think neither could you. Well, so as I was packing all my stuff back, as I have to return it back to the company, all the belongings that they provided me, my uniform, my company ID, and everything which is related to the company. I have to return it back today itself, like in the morning, and I have to return them all back and bid adieu to Indigo for that one last time. It's really a very heavy feeling, I would say. I have to leave India, say goodbye to friends and family, and Indian food, obviously. There's so many things that I'm gonna miss about India. Obviously, I will. And why am I saying that? Because once you leave your country, it's very hard to, come back and feel that included again. So there's a lot of thing that's going inside my head right now, but I will share all the details, everything with you all, and I don't even know if it was the most formal way or not to announce the news that I was waiting for, but I think at this point of time it's the only thing that's coming very natural to me, very organic to me. Well, there's a lot of things that I have to pack. Tomorrow evening, most probably, I will be leaving for Kolkata, because that place is very near and dear to me, and many of my friends and family stay there, so I need some time with them. I need some time with my pet cat, Candy. She is there in her crash, and I think I deserve to meet her, no matter what. This is it. I've kind of packed it all. The bag, and then this contains my hat and badge. Like, I didn't get the time to wear this, the company hat, and even the badge. Like, I had the badge since so long, but I didn't even get a chance to wear it. It's such a strange feeling. What do I say? So, what else? We have our QRH, and what else? Certain amenities that are in here. Nothing could be said or done. It's packed. And the other one is packed as well. So these two are going from my side. So bye. And also my company ID that I have to return back. Where did I keep it? But okay, I've kept everything very. So my company ID, and I don't think anything else that I have to return back. Here it goes, and I think it's a bittersweet goodbye. Priya helping me with the packing, because I'm very bad at this stuff. Thank you so much. खाना चाहिए ब्राइब लेती है ये दोस्तों, ब्राइब लेती है ये. बट कितना सही पैकिंग कर रही है ना. मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही, मैं उसे बस सामान दिया जा रही हूँ, वो पैक किया जा रही है. एंड इट्स स्टिल अ लॉट टू डू. वन लास्ट टाइम. Priya. देख के भाई तो कर. goodbye to my bag and we are at Indigo FLIP सबमिट करने के लिए आई हूँ। हाँ, यहाँ पे आई थी मैं अपना